Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today I have a bit of a treat for you. I've been in contact with a lady named Jenny from DiamondKissXO. She is a one-woman wonder. She takes care of it all. She designs her own paintings. She plots, renders, everything. So these really are her baby. And she wanted me to show you a canvas that she has made just recently, and I can't wait to do so. So thank you so much to Jenny at DiamondKissXO. Her website is diamondkissxo.com, and I can't wait to get into this to show it all to all of you. So everything came in a brown paper bag in this box, which I really appreciated it because once I took it off, the mailing information was no longer there. It was just this box, and I'm just going to take it out of the box. And here is the painting. So the diamond painting itself is called Fierce, and the artist is herself, so DiamondKissXO, and she wrote, "Dawn, thank you for giving me the opportunity to feature my canvas on your channel. You're amazing. From Jenny. And thank you for supporting my small business." Absolutely. So I will tell you that Jenny is a Canadian business. I love that. You guys know that I love when I find a Canadian business, and I'm always very, very happy to support a Canadian business, especially one who creates the art, plots the art, renders the art, and does it all herself. So again, really, she is a one-woman show. So let's just open this all up. I don't want to wreck this sticker. A little bit, but I think I should be able to save that. Okay, let's get into the goodies. Just going to move the packaging off to the side, and the note went flying. I just wanted to make sure I didn't lose that. So this is a sticker of the painting itself. It looks like a it looks like a fierce lion or tiger. So here is a picture of the painting itself. It looks quite cute, and you can, it is a sticker, so you can remove it. I'm just going to move that off to the side. And the first thing I'm going to do is just take a look at the kit that comes with this, because every kit is a little bit different. So while I'm pulling all of this out, I will let you know that she does have a discount code for this painting. It's Dawn. It's for your first purchase with her. It's Dawn15 for the 15% off the entire first purchase, and it is a one-time use code. So get all your paintings in one go if you can. And oh, she even sent a little cover reminder. That is really, really cute. Very, very cute. I will be using that. And then, actually, I'll just stick it over here. You get 2 plates of wax. You've got your squishy, just a regular pen. And then she also does include some multi-placers. This looks like a 4 or 5, maybe a 7, and then maybe a 2. Well, this is a 2 or a 3. And then you do get some washi with it, and this is a pretty sparkly, kind of like a slate blue, which is nice. And then you do get tweezers, and then you do get a little white boat to put your diamonds in as well. I do like the holographic bag that it comes in as well. So let's get into the goodie of the painting itself. So it does have kind of a soft felt background to it. Oh, it seems like there might be some more stuff in here. So I'll just take this out first. It says, Dawn, thank you. All images are legally licensed and rendered and hand packaged by me. I create the design of every image you see. The best part of it all is your kit will be ready to be worked on straight out of the package. I'm all about stress-free kitting up. Your kit includes velvet canvas, premium tool, which includes washi tape and cover minder, sticker sheet, high quality drills, anti-static sheet placed on each drill bag. So that was one of the other things, and I was going to show you when I do get to the bags, but she does put an anti-static sheet in every single bag just in case, just to cover you off in case there's any static. If you're new to diamond painting, here's how to do it. Welcome to an addictive hobby. Poke your pen into the wax, pick up the drills with your pen, peel the plastic off the canvas, just a little section, and place the drill on the canvas. Upcoming changes. DiamondKissXO.com is forever changing to make your shopping experience easier. Scan the QR code to follow me. Okay, that's excellent. Now let's look at the drills first. So they are individually packaged. How do I find the end that I get into? So this is a 100% crystal drill canvas, which, ooh, that's going to look pretty. And I love that she pre-bags everything. And I will just take out a couple here. The drills seem to be in good shape, but you can see the, I don't know if you can see that, but the lint is, or sorry, the static sheet is in each bag. So I do appreciate that. And hopefully it does cut down on the static. I'm just going to move these. Oh, and also, I will also say that it does come with a sticker sheet. Or sorry, just a sheet. Is it a sticker sheet? No, I don't think that this is a sticker sheet. So this is basically so you could go through and just see what each of the colors are. There are 18 colors in this one. Very nice. And also, if you wanted to kit this up, you could very well just cut out this part right here and label your, if you have a Xyron sticker maker, you could run that through and label your containers with that number. So I do like that. Now let's take a look at this canvas. This is, oh, there's more stuff. Oh, there we go. So this is the sticker, the larger sticker of the what's going to be on the canvas. You have your start date and your end date, and then of course any comments, which is actually the way I like to do. I don't have a sticker book, sorry, a diamond painting book per se. I like to just write whatever my comments are on as I'm going kind of thing. And so this would be what you could put on the containers, and this is a sticker sheet. So okay, that makes me feel even better than the other way. Now let's take a look at the canvas. Which way am I going? Okay. So I'm just going to move these out of the way as well. So wow, this looks a little bit bigger than I was actually thinking it was going to be. I'm going to do just a backwards roll and see if I can get it to lay a little bit flatter. It doesn't always work for me, but usually by the time you start putting drills down, it starts to flatten out anyway. There we go. backwards? I think I'm backwards. Okay, you guys, so very, very clear, a ton of black. If we were to take a look at the drills, I'll bet you, yeah, see, all of these are the black. So this is going to go super fast. Even with 18 colors, when I saw 18 colors, I was thinking, okay. And no, it's all plotted really clearly, and it's all, it's color blocked really well. I actually am very much looking forward to this. So you do get two thumbnails at the top here, as well as your legend. And then you have one upside down. So if you do happen to work both ways, you'll see the legend from wherever you are. Another thing also is she does have a code right on the canvas itself, and this is an ongoing code for 10% off your next order. And I will just tell you, the Dawn 15 is good until December 31st, and that is not to give me a kickback at all. That's just for you for your first order to get an extra 15% off. So, and maybe to track, maybe for her tracking, to see how many of you actually purchase from her. I would assume that that's got to do with it as well. But wow, you guys, this looks like it's going to be so much fun to do. And that black is just going to make this go crazy. I'm going to actually place a couple of blacks right away. Let's try and place a couple of blacks and see what happens. I'm going to grab a bag of black here and then just stick it in one of my trays. I hope I have a pen that has still some decent wax on it. I can see that the static piece right in there. It's like, there's two in this one. I think that's a nice little touch. I've done that before on my own. But I like that she's thought of it and done it herself. So definitely well thought out. I'm just chomping at the bit to get some of these going. Let's try this one, and hopefully there's enough wax in here that's still good. So one other thing I wanted to do really quickly too before I place a couple of drills on this is to, she says this is 19, what did I say on here? 19.8 by 19.8, so just under 20. And she is bang on. Let's try the other way from top. So she's definitely true to size. Yep, 19.8. Yeah, she is very true to size, which is always a breath of fresh air as well. And let's see if we can get a couple of these to lay down. I did do one other crystal diamond painting, and like full crystal, and I have not done one since. It turned out beautiful, and I am expecting the same from this. Oh, you guys, yeah, these are placing nicely. I can tell you this is going to be the next painting I work on. Yeah, these are placing extremely nicely. And it's good too, because this is my Diamond Art Club multi-placer, and I hadn't used it with square drills before, so. And I would zoom in and show you guys more of the drill field, except that it's all crystal. The entire field is crystal. So wherever you're seeing a color, everything else is black. And I think that's just going to look so cool when it's all said and done. Let's just place a couple more here. The drills are in really good shape. And they seem to be filling up the holes really nicely. Come on, get in there. So that's all I'm going to do on this one. I just wanted to give you an idea of what that looked like. So hopefully, just move that up a bit. Hopefully you can see that I was able to get that small section quite quickly with my multi-placer. And I am just so, like I said, I'm really, really looking forward to doing this painting. I think it's really cool. And it's, of course, abstract, which you know I love abstract. And I am really, really looking forward to it. So thank you so much to Jenny for sending me this painting. I love it. I love that she's taken the time to find or to have it produced in such a way that has the scalloped edges. I love the detail where she has one legend heading upside down and then one heading where you can read it. I love that it all comes pre-bagged and you have the option of either kitting up or working out of the bags. She wasn't kidding when she said that you could work entirely as soon as you got the kit out of the bag. There is enough black that you certainly could work through a bag of blacks, no problem. And I am just really, really looking forward to seeing what this is going to look like when it's done. So this will be the next project I do. And thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Jenny. And thank you, all of you, for taking a peek at this. This painting is called Fierce. This is a new diamond painting company called DiamondKissXO. She is Canadian based. There is free shipping above, I believe it's $150 internationally, and so she does ship internationally. You can definitely go to her website, DiamondKissXO.com. I will have all of the links down in the description, as well as the discount code for the Dawn 15 on your first purchase, and then as well the canvas has the Kiss 10 off your next purchase. So wow, this is really, really nice. I'm very impressed. For a one-woman show, she has done a spectacular job in my opinion. So really looking forward to working further on this. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you to you. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. I will catch you guys all in the next video. Until then, bye.